What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how you can connect WooCommerce to any payment gateway. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this. So for one, you can go on WooCommerce.com, you can look at the extensions, and if the gateway that you want to use is already there, you can just download a pre-built extension and install it in your shop. But you're probably looking at this video because you couldn't find the extension for your payment gateway. Now I have you covered on that. In this video, I'm first going to show you how to find the payment processors if you're using one that already has an existing plugin. After that, I'm going to show you the architecture that you can use if you're integrating a payment provider that doesn't already have a WooCommerce plugin. And if you'd rather have someone build it for you, my contact details and form are in the description. Installing plugins for your payment gateway is quite easy. Either you open the link that I put in the description, or you're going to open WordPress admin. Going to go to WooCommerce extensions, and then we're going to click on extensions. Once we're here, we're going to click on official payments. You're going to find all of your payment gateways here. Now, if you can't find your payment gateway, you can search it up here. Type in Klarna, for example. It's going to pop up, say free to download. And once we click on that, we're going to get redirected to WooCommerce. We're going to click on install for free. And now it's going to first ask you to log in. Once you've already done that, it's just going to install the extension on your shop. As you can see, if we type in Klarna, it's going to pop up and it's already going to be activated. Now, if you stayed for the custom extensions, we're going to take a look at that right now. If you stayed for this long, you probably want to find out how to create a custom plugin to connect your payment gateway with WooCommerce. So for the sake of this tutorial, I created a quick WordPress plugin and activated it. It's test for YouTube is what I called it. So now I'm going to show you the code. First, I added the gateway like this. I have to add the filter, which is called WooCommerce Payment Gateways, and this is what I call the gateway. Now in the gateway class, as you can see, I added a couple of functions that extend the WooCommerce Payment Gateway. First, we have the construct, and in here we have all of the admin information about this gateway. So for example, like the ID, which I just called YouTube, we have the title and the description of the YouTube gateway. In here, we also have actions that I'm going to get into later, and this is actually really important to how the payment gets handled. Down here, what else is important for you right now is the description. This is what's going to show up on the front end. So as you can see, we have YouTube and pay securely via YouTube. We're going to open the checkout, and as you can see, we have YouTube, pay securely via YouTube. So now we're going to head down to process payment. Now this is what happens when the user clicks on this place order button. And first it's going to get the order, and I added the paddle API because this is a custom one that I've been using so far on different stores. And this is where you add your custom API integration. If you need help implementing those features, you can reach out using the links below. And after this function is called, it's usually going to create the checkout and send the user to that URL. Once the user checks out successfully, we have this function down here, which is the handle return. The user gets sent back to WooCommerce, and the order status is going to set from pending to complete. But this, how we have it right here, isn't production ready because there's no way of verifying that the user actually came back from the correct source. This could also be someone just manipulating checkout. So we always have to have handle webhook down here, for example. So this is where you have to pay extra attention. So you now have the framework for connecting WooCommerce to virtually any payment gateway. If you're stuck with a specific provider or problem, or you want the entire plugin built for you, you can check the links in the description and get in touch with me, and then we can take a look at it. And I hope I'll see you in the next video.